This is your captain speaking. Hello and welcome aboard this Airbus A320NEO, and thank you for joining me here in the cockpit. We're inbound to London Heathrow, approaching runway 09 left. The rain is softly tapping on the windshield, the clouds hanging low, classic British weather setting the tone for our arrival. So sink into serenity and embrace the experience. We are currently being vectored in after passing the famous Lambourne holding fix, well known to aviation enthusiasts as the place where aircraft queue like it's Black Friday at your favorite store. Despite the airspace looking like rush hour on the M25, the ATC controllers remain professional, calm and typically British polite. They could probably apologize for the weather while guiding you through a storm. And no matter how busy they are, there's always time for a heartfelt thanks and goodbye by these fantastic controllers. Following every altitude and speed constraint to the letter isn't just a formality, it's absolutely essential for the safety and efficiency of every aircraft in this crowded airspace. Standard procedure at London Heathrow is to maintain 160 knots until 4 dmi from touchdown. This helps to maintain safe separation and flow efficiency for the many arrivals converging on the airport. In fact, in 2024 alone, Heathrow's 2 runways handled over 1,300 takeoffs and landing every single day. Precision and discipline are crucial to keeping that flow safe and efficient. Runway 09 left is equipped with an instrument landing system or ILS, guiding us along the glide slope and localizer for a precise touchdown. If you'd like to learn more about how the ILS works in detail, check out my previous video where I do some explanation. Finally coming clear of the clouds and overflying the Queen Mother Reservoir. Unfortunately we couldn't see the Windsor Castle, which can be seen easily on the left hand side on clear days. Time to switch off the autopilot and fly the rest of the approach manually.
1000.
Why switching off the autopilot rather late today? The weather wasn't ideal with the rather low clouds and the ATC environment was quite busy. That's why it's essential that both pilots stay focused on what's happening around us. Observing the autopilot doing everything well is less occupying than flying manually. And surprisingly, the autopilot can maintain 160 knots until 4 dmi even better than I can. Hard to believe, but true. And finally, the runway is in sight. Flaps are fully extended, auto brake is set to low, and everything is ready for landing. With the next aircraft just 2.5 miles behind us, ATC expect us to vacate the runway promptly. But of course, safety remains our top priority. Ideally we can exit at Alpha 9 Whiskey, that would be perfect. The landing distance to Alpha 9 Whiskey is 1,550 meters, while our calculated landing distance required was 1,569 meters. So Alpha 9 Whiskey shouldn't be a problem. But for now, let's concentrate on the landing. Enjoy!
200 minimum. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
So we didn't waste any runway, touching down almost exactly on the 1,000 foot markers. So what do you think? Was it a butter landing or not? After touchdown, now decelerating with the auto brake setting to low and idle reverse only. With the touchdown pretty much at the 1,000 foot markers, we're gonna make Alpha 9 Whiskey just as planned. So we're happy, ATC is happy, the airplane behind is happy, so everybody's happy. Now taxiing to stand 217 via taxiways Alpha and Kilo. Surprisingly, taxi time at London Heathrow is pretty short, even with all the hustle and bustle going on. And the variety of traffic? Absolutely awesome. Planes and airlines from every corner of the globe, it's like an aviation parade out here. And especially a paradise for spotters. They just need to work on the weather a little bit. We need more sunny days and less rainy days. And look at that beauty, a British Airways Airbus A320-1000. Easily my favorite looking A350 out there, sleek and stylish. Taxiing at night at London Heathrow is actually quite easy. You just get the simple instruction to follow the greens, and the ground controllers switch on the taxiway center line lights to green for us to follow straight to our parking position. If they don't want us to go any further, they just light up the red stop bar and we hold short as needed. Several United Airlines aircraft parked here as well. Looks like a lot of flights to London Heathrow from North America. And here you can see the tail, at least, of the Boeing 787-9 of Qantas wearing the special Yum Dreaming livery. Now we're getting closer to our parking position in stand 217, but before that you're gonna see the JetBlue A321NEO flying across the North Atlantic from London Heathrow to New York. And here we go, here's stand 217, turning right now. Now we've got to double check that the docking guidance system has shown the correct airplane type. In our case, Airbus A320. If it's off, we need to stop right away, otherwise the system might give us a false stop indication, and we definitely don't want that. Almost there. Just some slight correction to the left. And stop. Welcome to London Heathrow, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Thanks for watching and auf Wiedersehen.